have classes for beginners.
I got classes for intermediates. What days do you have your classes?
I have classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What about you?
I have classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Are your classes in the morning or the afternoon?
My classes are in the morning.
Mine are in the afternoon. What time do your classes start?
They start at 9 o'clock on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
I start at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I finish at 6.
What time do you have lunch each day?
I have lunch at noon before my classes start. What time is yours?
We can still eat together because I have lunch at noon too.
Oh, that's great for me because I like eating lunch in the middle of the day at noon. The afternoon doesn't seem so long that way. My family always eats dinner every night at 6 o'clock, so I know I'll be hungry again.
Hey, there's Jack. Let's see if he knows the schedule yet. Hi, Jack.
Hey, Jack.
Hi, Angie. Hi, Sam. How are your schedules today?
Well, we both have found out which classes we are teaching. We both have lunch at noon.
Let me check my classes. Here it is. Lunch. Yes. I will eat at noon too. That's great. Now we can all eat together.
Great. Let's go. Oh, I saw Alexi this morning and he was looking very bad.
What was wrong with him?
He was up past midnight last night.
What was he doing up so late?
He was working on the computer till late.
Alexi always works late at night.
Jack, do you take work home?
Sometimes, but I never finish my work late.
Me neither. I finish everything on time.
What did you do last night, Angie?
I read my book about France. And you?
My favorite TV show was on television.
So you were able to watch your favorite show and get a good night's sleep? Because you finished all your work earlier during the day. You didn't have to stay up all night like Alexi.
Yes, I hate having to work all night. The morning is very hard for me when I don't get any sleep.
I know what you mean. Not only are the mornings hard, but by the afternoon, all I want to do is sleep.
Hey guys, here comes Alexi now. Look, he does look terrible. His eyes are all red and it looks like he's been sleeping in those clothes.
Hi, everyone. What are you talking about?
Is that you, Alexi?
Yes? What do you mean?
It looks like you didn't get much sleep last night.
I was up till 3 a.m. I get up at 7 for work, so it was a very short night.
Alexi, we all have lunch at noon. What time do you have your lunch?
Well, my lunch break is at noon, too. Great. We can all eat together again. What time is it now? I'm starving.
Did you eat this morning?
No, I didn't have time. My alarm goes off at 7, but that doesn't mean I always get up.
What time did you get up this morning?
It was almost 8 o'clock.
But Alexi, your work starts at 8:30.
I know. I didn't have breakfast this morning, and now you know why I look like I don't have fresh clothes on. These are the same clothes I wore last night.
Alexi, here it is morning, and it looks like you should go home, take a shower, and start the day all over.
I know. So what time is it?
I have bad news, Alexi. It is only 10:30, and lunch is still an hour and a half away.
Oh, no. It's going to be a long day.